effort. That's but I don't enjoy not playing meaningful baseball. Peterson is a Palo Alto native who signed a one-year deal to join his hometown Giants. He was also an all-star this season, but like he said, he came here to help the Giants win, though Jock does believe this team much better than their record reflects. I think this team is really good. They won 107 games last year. Dealt with some injuries, dealt with some other things that were tough, but this is for sure a playoff team. I think it was more of a fluke year. The Giants and Rockies will continue their series later on tonight with a 6:45 first pitch along the shores of McCovey Cove. From the Sports Desk, Joe Hughes, KCBS.
We're all on this planet together, so join Odyssey and find your one thing. September is World Ozone Month, so it's a great month to get rid of all your aerosol sprays and harsh cleaning products. Join Odyssey, and together, each of us doing one thing makes a greener tomorrow. What's your one thing?
It's my cancer coming back fast, but Dr. Hayes responded even faster with innovative new treatment, helping me beat my cancer and bring back my hope.
It's being told my heart no longer works. Then spending 30 days in Sutter's cardiovascular intensive care unit before finally getting the new heart.
It's knowing my family and I will be taken care of, no matter who we are or who we love. It's 1,000 things, big and small. Sutter Health. Find a doctor at sutterhealth.org.
I'm Bopper, founder and chairman of America Parts Group, a family of brands that includes RepairClinic.com, an appliance and HVAC parts solution company that's grown into an international brand. Before AmericanEagle.com, we partially launched a new technology platform developed by another firm. American Eagle helped take our technology to a whole new level with digital marketing, software development, and business insights into our key markets, appliances, HVAC, and outdoor power equipment, and did so both on time and on budget. AmericanEagle.com has the resources, experience, and talent needed to produce solutions. Our new technology platform, developed by AmericanEagle.com, has produced tremendous results with higher traffic, conversion, engagement, and online revenue. If you have any home repairs you need to take care of, check us out at RepairClinic.com. If you need a world-class website or technology project, then I would highly recommend AmericanEagle.com.
Call AmericanEagle.com at 773-NETWORK. That's AmericanEagle.com, 773-NETWORK.
First for traffic, we're headed to Antioch with Victor Zaragoza.
And better news, all lanes are now open on Highway 4 in a westbound direction. There was an earlier crash at Summersville Road that had the two right lanes closed, along with the Auto Center Drive on-ramp closed. It looks like both of them are now open, so that's a good news there. The bad thing is you're still very slow from right after A Street, but it has started to recover. Once you get past that, it's a smooth ride all the way into Concord. In Berkeley, looking at slow traffic on 80 westbound from right around Gilman Street to leave the Emeryville area into Oakland. If you continue on 80 westbound, headed to the toll plaza of the Bay Bridge, metering lights are still on. You still have a backup at the toll plaza, and you're pretty much under the speed limit from just before Yerba Buena Island all the way to downtown San Francisco. And speaking of the city, looking at slow traffic on 101 northbound just after I-280 to right about the 80 split. After that, if you're headed to the lower deck of the Bay Bridge, it's a smooth ride. Your next traffic update at 10:58 on the Traffic Leader, KCBS.
Hey, good morning. It's Wednesday. We're halfway through that work week, and temperatures are pretty much a copy and paste of yesterday. Upper 60s today in San Francisco, upper 70s today in the Santa Clara Valley, low 70s for our friends in Oakland, but we warm up as we head into Thursday and Friday. We'll expect 70s in San Francisco as early as tomorrow, and that lasts until Friday. Same setup for us even in San Jose. We're jumping up into the 80s by tomorrow, mid-80s expected for us even in our inland East Bay, with low 90s as we head into Friday. So basically a small warming trend until Friday, and then temperatures go right back down to average as we head into the weekend, with partly cloudy skies sticking around. A beautiful forecast for us today. We're keeping a very also with Hurricane Ian. We'll keep you updated on that, but for now, I'm meteorologist Jessica Birch with your KCBS KPX5 First Alert forecast.
Warming up already, 64 degrees in downtown San Francisco. Traffic and weather together on the 8s and All News 106.9 and AM 740 KCBS. KCBS News Time 10:51. We're getting a better picture of just how bad teacher burnout is in California. KCBS reporter Megan Goldsby has the results of a new survey out from UCLA and the California Teachers Association.
When asked to pick a word to describe their jobs right now, the most popular one chosen by teachers here in California was exhausting.
1 in 5 teachers reported that they would leave in the next 3 years. Number one reason being burnout. I think what was the most surprising, though, is the second largest reason were due to political attacks on teachers and the teaching profession in general.
Dr. Kai Matthews is the research director for the California Educator Diversity Project at UCLA's Center for the Transformation of Schools. She says things are even worse for many teachers of color.
52% of black teachers, 54% of Asian American, Pacific Islander teachers have stated that they experience racial discrimination within their current working positions.
She says we seem to have forgotten the message. During the pandemic, now they've been targets. This could leave the state facing a huge teacher shortage in the next few years.
We could be a little bit more proactive and do something around this.
Like increase teacher pay or consider other compensation instead, like housing or stipends for teachers' own children to attend college. Megan Goldsby, KCBS.
Health officials urging people at risk to get tested for HIV on this National Day of HIV Awareness. The story from Karen Adams.
The Health Resources and Services Administration is encouraging gay, bisexual, and men who have sex with men to get tested for HIV.
1 in 8 people who have the infection in the U.S. do not know they have it because they haven't been tested.
The HRSA's Dr. Laura Cheever tells KNX this National HIV/AIDS Awareness Day is necessary because it's important for people status.
With multiple competing priorities around COVID and other things, as well as the complacency people about getting HIV, that we really do need to continually bring it to the fore.
Dr. Cheever says people with HIV who are tested and put on medication can live a long life and cannot transmit the disease to their sexual partners.
It's the final homestand for the Giants. Rugby playoff bound this year, the team did make history. KCBS's David Welch tells us they're honoring Alyssa Nacken tonight at Oracle Park.
Assistant coach Alyssa Nacken was already notable as one of the first women to coach on a major league roster. But when she took the field back in April, she became the first woman to coach on the field during a major league game. In doing so, she became an inspiration for
to think that myself in this position could be a role model for a young girl like that is what gets me going every single day.
According to the team, Nacken items have been selling well all season long, and Nacken is especially popular among young fans.
It's kind of a challenging age for me personally, and I think I was looking for some roles and people of inspiration during that time.
And she says she's honored to raise money for the Bay Area Women's Sports Initiative, which is the focus of her t-shirt promotion at tonight's game.
I think sports teach you some of the best life lessons and get you to work and play alongside people that look different than you.
At Oracle Park, David Welch, KCBS.
Money Watch sponsored by Personal Capital. The best time to sort out your finances is now. From your first paycheck through retirement, Personal Capital can help. Visit personalcapital.com. A surprise from Apple.
Holly, Apple shares are getting hit after Bloomberg reported that the company is pulling back on plans to hike iPhone 14 production as the anticipated bump has failed to materialize. Shares at Apple down 3%. The stock market, though, getting some help after the Bank of England unexpectedly announced plans to buy long-term bonds in order to restore faith in the UK economy, helping bring down the U.S. dollar and Treasury yields, which have weighed on stocks. Christopher Wolf, Chief Investment Officer for First Republic Private Wealth Management, says inflation worries over the Bank of England's move may be overstated.
If they're buying all those bonds and we think about it being inflationary, I think the Bank of England is looking at this as we need to get through the next 12 to 18 to 24 months, and we can address inflation if I think markets are worried about that at a later date.
The Dow and S&P looking to snap six-session losing streaks. Dow's up 413 points, S&P gaining 50, NASDAQ up 133. On the Money Watch, Jason Brooks, KCBS.
Win a new Mercedes-Benz, cash, and more this month at Creighton Resort and Casino. Play to enter the Mercedes Winner's Choice giveaway on September 30th, where you can win a new Mercedes-Benz. Plus, more ways to win than anywhere else. Tuesdays, turn points into slot play. Multiplier Wednesdays, get up to 7 times the points. Thursdays, win up to $15,000 in the wild winning slot tournaments. Learn more at CreightonResortCasino.com. Complete rules available at the Reward Center.
Thinking of selling your house, but you don't want to deal with repairs, cleaning, realtor photos, and showings? With John Buy's BayAreaHouses.com,